All right, today I want to introduce to you two new part numbers from Hunterworks for belts. What are they? They are Arctic Cat Snowmobile belts. These two particular part numbers that we have fit the 858 series of snowmobiles and the 8000 series snowmobile. So there's a lot of different models in there, but it covers those two. I mean, it's not the same belt. We got two belts. See on the website, we got two listings. What is this belt? It is a belt made by the OEM manufacturer, and I like to say if you've been happy with the OEM belt, you're going to be happy with this. We partnered up with two new manufacturers in the last year or two, and one of them being the OEM manufacturer of this particular belt. And as we wanted to grow our belt business, primarily we've been in UTV and ATV, and we wanted to do something to help us out in the wintertime. And the next progression was snowmobile belts. So yeah, Hunterworks is probably new to you, but we've been in business 23 years. We know a lot about belts, clutching of course. And so that's why we wanted to offer these two new Arctic Cat belts to you. Also, we're planning on adding some few other little things for you, like some pullers and compressors and some other little minor deals as we progress on in this business. But for you Arctic Cat snow machine guys, welcome to Hunterworks family. Just give us a try and then help spread the word. But we ask that you subscribe and like so you'll be abreast of anything new that we do for you. And if you got any questions about this or anything, really, Todd at hunterworks.com. Thank you.